Hello students, welcome to JBS online classes. I am Shipra Saxena and today we will do work in book 1 and in maths workbook. Let's start. This is your book 1. In book 1, we will do page number 33, 34 and 83. Let's start with page number 33. Parents, please mention the date as I have mentioned and please mention the name of your child at the top of the page. Students, this is number 2. Identify the number and count these fingers. How many fingers are here? 1, 2. 2 fingers. And what is the formation of number 2? Curve, then sleeping line. Trace and write the number 2. Here are some dotted numbers too. You have to trace the dots properly and write number 2. Every time you have to speak number 2. You should know that you are writing number 2. In other lines, here are 2 dots. Put the pencil on the first dot. Draw a curve, then draw sleeping line and speak 2. Remember, every time you have to touch the bottom line while writing numbers. Okay? Curve, then sleeping line. Curve, touch the bottom line, then sleeping line. And every time you should speak number 2. And parents, please give the dot as I have given. Let's start page number 34. Count and color the pictures. Here are some pictures. First you have to count the pictures. Then you have to color the pictures. 1, 2. How many ducks are here? 2 ducks. Count these ducks. 1, 2. How many eyes are here? 2 eyes. Count the eyes. Then you have to color the ducks also. And be careful, your coloring should not be go outside the picture. Next exercise is draw 2 pencils following the steps and color them. Here are some steps to draw the pencil. You have to follow these steps and you have to draw 2 pencils. Then color the pencil. Okay? Now this is page number 83. On this page, you will do balloon dabbing activity. Name the activity balloon dabbing activity. Dip the balloon in red watercolor and dab it on the number 2. This is number 2. These are the snapshots to complete the activity. Dip the balloon in red watercolor and then dab it on the number 2. In this way, you can complete this activity. These all exercises I have explained in previous videos, so please watch previous videos also. And do all the fair work in book 1. Now start maths workbook. In maths workbook, we will do page number 4. On the page number 4, you will write number 2. This is number 2. What is the formation of number 2? Curve, then sleeping line. Count these butterflies. How many butterflies are here? 1, 2. 2 butterflies. In one line, here are dotted 2. You have to trace the dot properly and write number 2. And every time you have to speak also number 2. In next 2 lines, here are 2 dots. Put the pencil on the first dot. Draw a curve. Come down. Touch the bottom line. Then draw sleeping line. And speak 2. Curve. Then sleeping line. And speak 2. Every time you should touch the bottom line. In last 2 lines, here are only single dot. Put the pencil on the dot. Draw a curve. Come down. Touch the bottom line. Then draw sleeping line. 2. Curve. Then sleeping line. Number 2. In this way, complete this page with proper formation. And parents, please give the dots as I have given, and please send the work on Google Classroom. Thank you.